Alright everybody, welcome to the ZIK Analytics channel. I'm Nahar Geva, your host, and today I'm going to cover a very special topic. High ticket dropshipping on eBay. I'm going to teach you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to find high ticket items and how to run this unique business model to generate high volume revenue and a lot of profit. Before we getting started, I just wanted to let you know that we are running a contest. You can win monthly subscription for ZIK Analytics for free. All you need to do is comment below ZIK for free, and one of the people who comment, subscribe, and like the video will win 30 days for free for any ZIK Analytics subscription. Thank you very much, guys, and let's get started. So we are going to start with a short presentation, just give you the principles of this business model and criteria of winning products. So high ticket dropshipping on eBay. We're going to start with high ticket product research principles. And there are two main principles. Number one, when you start this business model, when you start search for this kind of products, you need to set yourself price rules. You need to know, okay, I want to focus my store on an average selling price of $70, for instance. So I'm not going to sell products less than $70, or I'm not going to sell products less than $50. So you know that when you sit on the computer, on this chair here, and you start your product research journey, you will completely avoid cheap products. You will only focus on products around $70 or more. Once you set up your price rules, you have to make sure that the suppliers you work with have the right returns and shipping policies and the right customer service to support you with selling high ticket products, because you don't want to have mistakes. You don't want to have cases, and you don't want to lose cases. You don't want to sell products and ship products that not arrive in their location, because high ticket products, as they are expensive products, and if you will need to cover the cost, you will eventually lose money. So you want to make sure the supplier you work with have the best policies. And I can say that generally working with high ticket products, it's recommended to work with local suppliers. With local suppliers, you will have lower risk. Why? The shipping time will be shorter. You know that there are serious suppliers such as Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot, or other websites. In the UK, there are Zooplus and Amazon as well. And working with those suppliers, you know that you will have the minimum risk selling high ticket items. So you can also do high ticket items from China, working with AliExpress or working with Alibaba. However, you need to know that you need to add extra layers of security when you drop shipping expensive products from China, because there is higher risk shipping products with long time shipping and also working with Chinese suppliers. Now, this is the two principles, and I'm going to move now to winning high ticket product criteria. How do we choose, or how do we know what is a winning product when we focus on high ticket products? Now, it's a big difference than selling cheap products, because cheap products will have high volume, a lot of sales, and if we will stick to our criteria for regular products, for instance, 2 sales in 7 days, or 5 sales in 7 days, or 10 sales in 30 days, it will be very hard for us to find high ticket products, okay? It will be very hard for us to find high ticket products. So let's go through the criteria. So criteria of sales, of demand. We want to have at least 1 sales in 7 days or 3 sales in 30 days. This is the minimum. Why? We sell expensive products. 1 sale can bring us $20, $30, and it's enough to even sell this product only twice a month, okay? Or once a month. So when you search for products, you want to make sure they have at least 1 sales in 7 days or 3 sales in 30 days. Then you want to have at least 10% profit, and always aim for more. Why? You don't want to work on less. You don't want to sell products for $200, make $5 profit, and have all this risk and hassle for only $5. If you already sell products for $200, you want to have at least $20 profit. You want to have at least profit that pay off the risk and that pay off the work you put in. And preferable to have at least 2 to 3 competitive advantages on this product that you found. So either better price, better photo, better offer like features or bundle, etc., or better listings. So when you look for products, you want to checkbox these things. You want to make sure the product have enough sales. You want to make sure the product have enough profit margin, and you want to make sure the product that you list and that you find in the suppliers gives you the advantages on your competitors. If you will work with competitor who work with very low profit margin and you will try to be better than him, you will have no profit. It's not worth the time and effort you put into this product. Move to the next one. So you want to make sure that after you found a product, these criteria are there. Now you're probably asking yourself why I didn't mention the competition factor. The reason is because the profit margins are so high, okay? The profit margins are so high in terms of dollar, in terms of money, we will take the risk listing product with high competition. So if I will have $50 profit for product, for instance, I will take the risk, will try to have these 3 competitive advantages and list the product even if there is high competition. Why? Because if this product will sell, it will bring a lot of profit. So of course, if you see, I have no chance to sell the product because I don't have any competitive advantage and my competitors have much better prices than me or much better shipping or etc., then leave this product. But if you see that you have a great competitive advantage, like better price, and you have 20 competitors, it's still fine trying selling this product. What I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to share my screen with you and I'm going to literally show you how I use ZIK Analytics to find high ticket products. Let's get started. So the first step will be to set up our pricing targets and then start look for dropshippers who use the same business model and focus on high ticket items. What we want to do is to focus our research in product that fits our price target. If you will stay focused, you will get results very quickly and you will find a lot of products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the product research page here and prepare. I'm going to make sure my quick settings on the right city, on the right country, sorry. So if you dropship in ebay.com, shipping products from US suppliers, you would use United States. If it's the UK, etc. I said it on the presentation and I will say it again. When you work with high ticket items, I highly recommend to work with local suppliers. You can also do it with Chinese suppliers, it's just higher risk. So my recommendation, work with local suppliers. And for this example, I will have here Walmart and Amazon. You can do the same process with any suppliers you want. It doesn't matter, this is only an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Amazon and Walmart to find products from niches with high ticket, with high prices. So I'll go to the categories here and then I'll scroll down and I look for tools and home improvement. This is one of the categories I know have high ticket products. So you can also do garden and supply, etc. But I will focus on tools and home improvement. Clicking on this and hitting the search button. Now what I will do, I will just pick one of these subcategories here. I will go for emergency supply, for instance, because I know generators and different products here are expensive and a lot of dropshippers using them. And then I will scroll down and look for expensive products based on my price target. We are going to focus on products selling for more than $70. So I look here for products that start from $70, say $65. So scrolling down through it. So this 45, 89, this is 139, 849. And here we have this generator, $449. So I'll take this product for the example. I'll copy the title. It's enough just the beginning of the title. I'll go back to the product research, I'll paste here the search keywords and I'll make sure the settings are correctly and I'll hit the search button. Right now, ZIK pulled the results from eBay, show me all the sellers who list this product to their store and selling this product on eBay. The statistics right now of the product research are not really interesting. What we care about is the sellers. So I will scroll down and I will look on the sellers on the left side. Now, as you know, ZIK have the features to show you who is dropshipper. And I can see many dropshippers here. And then I can see this guy here from Bulgaria who have 687 feedbacks and is also dropshipping this product, which have the same picture as here, right? Now, why I will choose to analyze first this seller? Because this seller is international and he have more challenges to sell on eBay. And if he managed to do it successfully, then I want to see what he's doing. So I'll hit here the scan button and I'll check out this seller. Couple of seconds, we'll get all the results of this seller. We can see how many active listings he have, sold items, his revenue, sell-through rate, feedback score, and even successful listings and average selling price. Very interesting seller, guys. This seller have 1,113 active listings. He generated 239 sales in the last 30 days with an average selling price of $152. He is focused on high ticket item. So we found a dropshipper who used this business model, and now is our time to look into the product and learn his strategies. And guys, he's generated $36,000 revenue. This is very well. These criteria are very well. So this is just a fact for you to see that yes, there are a lot of dropshippers focused on the high ticket strategy because this strategy is just worth the effort. It's worth the effort because we don't need to process too many orders and we're generating decent revenue and make decent profit. So after watching into the statistics, I'll scroll down to see the result. But remember, now when it's time to pick product, we look on the criteria, same as the presentation. We want to see 1 sale at least in 7 days or 3 sales in 30 days. So if you look on 30 days, we can see that there are a lot of products with more than 3 sales here. So look, take a look, guys. From here and up, there are products with more than 3 sales, which are a lot of product. And if I want to go to the 7 days, I just switch it here and search the button and get the result. And now I can actually see this result, and I can see that there are a lot of products with more than 1 sale in 7 days. Now I want to find this product and I want to see that I can actually sell them for profit. And now you can go and you can do the same process with Walmart or with Home Depot or with Costco or with Zooplus, with anything. You just have to go to the supplier, okay? I will demonstrate again on Walmart. You go here and you just search for different departments. So again, you can go for home and improvement, okay? There are different products here. So see, shop from all home and improvement, for instance. And then I can see, okay, what are the prices these products are selling? And I see products starting for 79, 78, 205, etc. So I'll go and do the same things. I'll check out if I can actually sell this product on eBay. I'll copy the title. I'll use this title to find more dropshippers, right? The same process. Open the product research, put it here, hit the search button, and see if I can actually find sellers who are selling it. And here we are. We got 3 sellers that's selling this product. 3 sellers for $199, $101, and $106. While on Walmart it sells for $78. Now we can open them up. They're all beginners and see what they're doing. We see if we can find products. See if we can actually find sellers who focus on high demand, on high ticket items. And we can see that this seller here is not so successful, but he have mix of products, so it looks like he's not so focused on high ticket, but yes, he still get your product that have a high ticket pricing. And even if you found seller and these sellers don't have enough products or his product did not sell enough, one seller can lead you to many more sellers. And this is the beauty of ZIK Analytics. This is the beauty when you understand the flow. So you see, I came across this seller. He don't have too many interesting products, but take a look. These products here, this tent here that sold only 1 time in the last 30 days, have 12 competitors selling similar products. Now, this product selling for $162. It fits our product criteria. It fits our price target. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click the scan title button, and I'm going to let the product research to lead me to 12 more potential competitors. So scrolling down, I can see all the competitors here, and what I will do next is I will check one by one to make sure I can find the products I'm looking for. So let's take a look. This seller here from Israel, this one from Lithuania. As you can see, I always prioritize first the international sellers. This with 15 sales, I'm not sure I'm going to check him out. This one, 4,000 feedbacks. This guy here from with the UK flag, 400 feedbacks, etc., etc. You can go one by one, and then I will take a look and I will start. So this seller here, take a look, 53 listings, 16 sales, $1,679. Scrolling down, he is not, his average selling price is $100. So I would say yes, he is focused on high ticket product strategy, but he's also sell cheap products. But look, this product here sold 3 times in the last 30 days, fits our criteria, and selling for $148. So this is how you do it. You use ZIK Analytics to find dropshippers who focus on high ticket product strategy. Then you use the dropshippers to find more dropshippers, and your job is to just go through it, filter out the right product, do the optimization, have these 3 competitive advantage, and list winning products to your store, and you can scale successful high ticket dropshipping store and make a lot of money, exactly similar to what our friend here just did. He generated $36,000 in sales in 30 days. He's focused on high ticket item. His average selling price is $152. This is the perfect example for sellers who focus on high ticket item strategy, and he's doing it successfully. So guys, I'm just going to move to the last part of the video, show you the listing targets I prepared for you. Make sure you have goals to achieve these targets. Let's go through the listing targets I prepared for you. Your target will be to list 700 active listings with an average selling price of $70 and generate 70% sell-through rate, which will be equal to 490 sales. If you have 490 sales and your average selling price is $70, which is 490 times 70, you will have revenue of $34,300. And if you will stick to 10% profit in average, you will have $3,430 profit from one store before expenses. So This is your goals, this is your strategy. I showed you how you find the products. Now it's time for you to take action, find those sellers, list those products, and make sure your products are optimized and have at least 1 to 3 competitive advantage. Guys, thank you so much. If you find this video valuable, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave questions in the comment section below. Ciao.